Hello guys, today we're playing the babies game. Roblox. Pangit no guys. And hello, I'm Cotton Blue and he is Cotton Purple. And we are the Cotton Blue squad. Let's press the button. Press the button. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Wait, there's a teddy bear. Wait for me. I'm just gonna open this. What's inside? Look, he's crying. Let's go. Let's pick it. Oh, there's punching. Let me jump. Oh, wait. Why did I get punched? Oh, that's a puncher. I didn't know. Why did I die? Fuck. Mura. Okay, last time. Okay, finally I made it. You loser. No, I'm not a loser. You loser, Diny. What's the problem, Diny? This is our airplane. Let's press the button. Okay. And sorry guys, we're not gonna make into the 7 minutes. So